Okay, we're all finished up here. Installing the mass airflow sensor. There it is, the new one. 60 minutes. Look at that. Let me see, any lights on? No lights on the dash. Everything's good. Good job, buddy.